Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I am asking some question about अविख्या's studies. ये तो आज मैं मतलब लूँगी जो टेस्ट है वो LKG के लिए है, LKG बच्चे के लिए ओरल प्रैक्टिस. तो are you ready अविख्या?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me letter A to Z.
A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Perfect. Tell me letter A to Z with phonic.
E A L B.
Look me, please.
C cat D dog E elephant.
Perfect. Speak loud.
Fish. G grapes. H
Come on.
H hand. I E igloo. J joker. K kite. L line. M mango. Ananas. O
Sit proper.
orange. P parrot. Q quilt. R rhino. S sun. T tiger. U umbrella. P fan. W watch. X telephone. Y yak. Z zebra.
Perfect. Very good. Tell me letter A to Z with spelling. Tell me letter A to Z with spelling and sit proper, please.
A double P L apple. B double ball. C ticket. D dog. E double egg. F I S H fish.
Look here.
G and gun. H and hand. I C ice. G duck. K I T kite. L I N one line. P and pen. W R E T water. X Y X E. I Y Z D R A zebra.
Very good. But you forgot some letter. It's okay, but okay. Now tell me beginning sound of K. Look here, please. Beginning sound of K. Perfect. Tell me beginning sound of zebra.
Zebra.
Beginning sound of xylophone.
G xylophone.
No, X.
X xylophone.
Sit proper, please. Now, sit proper. Now tell me beginning sound of mango. Look here, please.
Mango.
Tell me beginning sound of parrot.
P for parrot.
Very nice. Tell me any two letter word. Two letter word. Do you know two letter word?
No.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. Now tell me who are you? Are you girl and boy? Sit proper.
I'm girl.
Perfect. What's your name?
Avikya Yadav.
Look here.
Avikya Yadav.
Tell me name of the Avikhya. Sorry, spelling of the Avikhya.
ABHI Avikya.
Now Yadav. Look here, Babu.
Vaidev
Look
Yadav.
me, please. Very good.
Vaidev Yadav.
Very good. Now, how old are you?
2 years old. 3 years old.
What?
3 years old.
Perfect. Okay. Tell me number 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Sit proper first.
I don't know 1 to 50.
Tell me counting 1 to 50. Come on.
I know.
But you know very well. Start 1. Come on.
Wait, just I'm getting kitchen.
Okay. Now finish. Now tell me. Tell me. Tell me please.
What are you?
Counting 1 to 50. Sit proper, Babu. Please sit straight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Look
7,
me.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15.
Now 15. I said 50. 15, 16. Carry on.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 50, 50.
20. Yes, 50, 50. 22. Come on.
20, I think what? 22.
No. I told you 50. 50. Come on, carry on. 22. Look here.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40.
40,
41. Come on.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Perfect. Very good. Tell me name of the number 1 to 20. Oh, anyone like. Look me, please.
21,
Look here, but don't move.
21, TW2, THR, W3, FOR4, FIV5, HIX6, SUN7, HH8, NIN9, 10, 10.
Now 11. Carry on.
11, TWN, TV12, THR, TWN, 13, FOR, TWN, 14, FIF, TWN,
FIF, TWN.
15,
Very good.
SUN,
SIX.
SIX, TWN, 16, SUN, TWN, 17, JST, TWN, 18,
But look here, Babu.
TWN, 19, TWN, TY, 20.
Perfect. Very good. Very good, my lovely princess.
Can I
Tell me. No, wait. Tell me backward counting 10 to 1. Look here, Babu, please. Backward counting.
Candy.
Very good. Backward counting 10 to 1. Now start. 10 to 1 backward counting.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good.
And
Now-
0.
Wow. Tell me table number of 1.
इसमें से बहुत हमारी है.
दो दबा रही है उसमें से. Tell me table number of 1. Like
1,
1.
1 is 1.
Very
2,
good.
2 is 4.
No, 1 2 is 2.
1, 2 is 2. 1, 3 is 3. 1, 4 is 4. 1, 5 is 5. 1, 6 is 6. 1, 7 is 7. 1, 8 is 8. 1, 9 is 9. 1, 10 is 10.
Now tell me 2 1 ja.
2, 1 is 2. 2, 2 is 4. 2, 3 is 6. 2, 4 is 8. 2, 5 is 10.
2
2, 6
6
is 12. 2, 7 is 14. 2, 8 is 18. 2, 9 is 19.
2 8 ja 16.
2, 8 is 16.
2 9 ja 18.
2, 9 is 18. 2, 20 is 20.
2 10 ja 20. Very good. Now tell me Shwar A se Angha.
अच्छा नहीं खाता.
Yes. Tell me Shwar A se Angha.
A, I, U, इसी. E, A, U, O.
Yes. Tell me any rhymes. Do you know rhymes? Do you know rhymes?
Yes.
Now start.
Which one?
Your favorite rhymes. Which one your favorite rhymes?
Three na chashma pehna.
I said English rhyme first, then you can tell me Hindi rhymes, okay? Tell me.
Where is
Tell me any rhymes
I-
like Miss Muffet, Little Miss Muffet.
Little Miss Muffet sat on the tuffet to eat her skirt and way. Out came a spider and sat down beside her. Tried Miss Muffet again.
Very good.
I
Do you know another one rhymes?
I
Tell me.
hop to the shop.
Okay.
To buy my sweet lollipop. See the baggy stick and the red dog. I will put it in my mouth and plop, 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 plop.
Oh, very good. Tell me Hindi rhymes, any two. Hindi
चिड़िया
rhymes.
जी ने चश्मा पहना.
समझो से.
समझो से क्या का कहना. ऊंचा नीचा दिया दिखाए. ठोकर खाए संभाला पाए. ये सब पर गिरी धरा. चश्मे का हुआ काम तमाम.
Very good. Another one.
मछली जल की रानी है. जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओगे तो धस जाएगी. बाहर निकालोगे तो मर जाएगी.
Very good. Okay friends, bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please hit the bell icon and like, share and subscribe.